मैं किसी के साथ जाती हूँ, अपने आप जाती हूँ, कहीं और जाती हूँ, खान के पास जाती हूँ या कपूर के पास जाती हूँ, आई डोंट नो, पता चलेगा जब आप देखोगे फिर.
Hi and good evening. And I'd like to thank all the members of the media for being here today. It's always very gratifying to see all of you in such large numbers and always showing up to support us. So thank you very much. We apologize for minor delays. That always happens, especially when we have an ensemble, which we're very proud of. Kapoor and Sons is special to all of us for various reasons. Also because it makes a huge shift from loving your parents to understanding your children. I think it's a different perspective on family. All families, as you know, have a series of issues, some hidden secrets, some lies, conflict, but eventually it's a cementing factor in all our lives. And I think Kapoor and Sons touches upon the happy days, some sad ones, and the ones that we need to overcome. And the film deals with those issues in its own manner. Shakun Batra makes his second film, ironically, on the same day as his first released. Today is the 10th of February. This is not something to clap or applaud for because 4 years is absolutely too long a gap for any filmmaker to take. So there's no pride in the statement. Shakun, you have to pull your tiny socks up and make sure that you come back sooner, maybe next year, because it's about time that you make another film really soon. 4 years ago, he made a very special twist on the rom-com genre with Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu, a film that ended with not a very conventional ending, but I think that was special about it. And I think the same special features itself in his second endeavor, which is Kapoor and Sons. We're really proud, and I believe that the director is truly, not just as the cliche goes, captain of the ship, but he's really the master of the universe that the film creates. So I'd like to call Shakun on stage first. We've had a really special cast. Unfortunately, Chintuji had to leave. He had somewhere to go to immediately. He apologizes on his behalf. He heads our cast. He plays the grandfather Kapoor in the film. And as you may have seen, tremendous work was put into his portrayal. And that would mean him waking up 4 hours before everybody else did to be on set. And his seniority, his commitment to his craft, and over and above his enthusiasm to be the actor that he is known to be was completely gratifying for all of us. This is his third recent outing with us, from Dawn to Dean, and now to Granddad. He's really has played a multitude of parts for us at Dharma Productions, and we're forever grateful for that. We have with us, for the first time, we've worked with two extraordinary artists, and I'm really glad to have them as part of this grand ensemble. I'd like to call Ratna Pathak on stage, who is somebody I have not only been a big fan of, but also we were all exceptionally pleased when she agreed to play the part of the mother in Kapoor and Sons. I've seen the movie and I think he's absolutely amazing, and that's my Aankhon Dekha Hal. Can I please call Rajat on stage? We have some partners in Sublime. I won't say crime because crime is not exactly a positive term. So we've partnered with Fox on various endeavors, and it's been an immensely pleasurable experience. I'd like to call Vijay Singh on stage, who's been our big solid support through all our recent endeavors. Producer on the film, CEO of Dharma Productions, a solid spine of the company, Apurva Mehta. And now for the people who really bring in the money. It's unfortunately not us poor producers. It's really the talent behind the scene, the immensely graduated student, someone who's really grown from strength to strength and proved his versatility time and again, Siddharth Malhotra. His ultimate khoobsurati has made many a zindagi gulzar. I was trying to say it and put it like that. I want to say someone who I've never known my mother blush, and the only time she blushes is every time she sees Fawad Khan. Fawad Khan in the house. what do I say? She might inherit some of my property and some of the rupees that might be left. It's always been her way or the highway. Alia Bhatt. So here it is, the grand team that has put together this little gem of a film with a big heart. As I said, the real ethos of the film is from loving your parents to understanding your children. This is the journey the film has, and I hope you appreciate it when it releases on the 18th of March. We're open to questions about the film, about individual actors and their professional existence. As for me, I'm going to try and keep shut because I invariably land up in trouble. Thank you. Have a seat. Is everyone in their allotted spaces? Everybody go to seat? Yeah. Everybody? Apps, you're there? Okay. All right. All sorted. Thank you. I'm going to moderate the questions. So, yes, we have questions from the house and we're very excited to answer them.
Hi, Alia. This is Alok from...
I knew you would ask the first question.
So, मेरा सवाल है, इवन कई लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि आखिरकार किस कपूर के साथ आप इस फिल्म में जाती हैं?
ऐसा क्या जरूरी है कि मुझे कपूर के साथ ही जाना? मैं खुद नहीं जा सकती हूँ कहीं? हाँ?
वो कपूर चले गए भी।
कपूर के सन्स हैं ना यहाँ पे।
अगर मैं बोलूंगी तो आई थिंक मजा खराब हो जाएगा, तो आप प्लीज देखिए 18 मार्च को फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है और फिर आप देख सकते हैं अगर मैं किसी के साथ जाती हूँ, अपने आप जाती हूँ, कहीं और जाती हूँ, खान के पास जाती हूँ या कपूर के पास जाती हूँ, आई डोंट नो, पता चलेगा जब आप देखोगे फिल्म।
फवाद, ये कपूर एंड सन्स करना कैसा रहा आपके लिए और इस पार्ट को कैसे आपने एंजॉय किया?
To be very honest, I've been very fortunate. मैं बहुत खुशकिस्मत रहा हूँ in the past as well. Second time in a row to work with a team which has really become a family. I'm really going to miss this whole process, this whole journey, because we've had a ball of a time. These are wonderful and beautiful people, and I don't think I could ask for anything more in a film.
सिद्धार्थ, खबरें हैं कि आप लोगों ने गाना भी गाया फिल्म में, तो इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है?
गाना गाया है? नहीं, अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमने गाना नहीं गाया, बहुत नाचे इसमें और एक ही लोकेशन पे हम लोग, आई थिंक एज ही सेड, टू स्पेंड सो मच टाइम, वी वर 40 days एक ही घर में कुनूर में, वी फेल्ट लाइक कि एक्चुअली कोई पंजाबी घर है वहाँ पे, बहुत ही सिंपल मिडिल क्लास अपब्रिंगिंग, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग गाने, ये बजाते बहुत अच्छा है, शकुन भी बहुत अच्छा गिटार बजाता है, तो ये लोग जैम करते थे, वो सेशन आपको दिखाएंगे, हम लोग बहुत जैमिंग सेशन किया है, मैं पीछे बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक कुछ देता था, तो बस उतना ही करा है, ऑफ कैमरा बहुत गाए हम लोग।
हेलो फवाद
जी, आई एम सॉरी।
इस तरफ
जी,
आपके राइट में
जी।
आपने रत्ना मैम के साथ दोबारा फिर से काम किया, तो उनके साथ कैसा अनुभव रहा और क्या क्या सीखा लास्ट टाइम और इस टाइम में?
मुझे लगता है कि हम अब वो मेरी परमानेंट फिल्मी माँ बन चुकी हैं।
रत्ना मैम ने सीखा कि फवाद बदला नहीं है, वो उतना ही सेट पे मस्ती करता है जितना पहले करता था।
आई थिंक एक पहली बात तो एक ऐसे वेटरन एक्टर, एक ऐसे सीनियर एक्टर के साथ काम करना, no, for me, you're a veteran, no, I am a complete amateur, rookie in front of you. और मैं मानता हूँ इस बात को, because I think it's always a delight to work with actors जो आपको कुछ दे सकते हैं. And I think she's very giving that way in being very collaborative in a performance. साथ में मिलके डायरेक्टर, एक्टर्स सबके साथ मिलके बैठ के डिस्कशन करके. And on top of that, off the set, मैं बस इतना बताऊंगा, she is a party animal.
Alia?
I'm going to adopt him, by the way.
Alia,
Yeah.
congratulations to the team for the trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आप दोनों के साथ रोमांस करें, दोनों कपूर्स के साथ, एंड वैलेंटाइन डे इज नियर अराउंड द कॉर्नर, सो किसके साथ आप डेट पे जाना चाहेंगे, कौन से कपूर के साथ, अगर डेट पे जाना हुआ तो?
वैलेंटाइंस डे पे मैं गोवा में होने वाली हूँ, आई एम शूटिंग फॉर माई फिल्म, तो मैं गौरी शिंदे के साथ डेट पे जाऊंगी।
ओके, मेरा सवाल आपसे भी है सिद्धार्थ, फिल्म में तो हमने देखा काफी मस्ती हो रही है, लड़ाई झगड़े हो रहे हैं, ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसा रहा माहौल, मतलब ऐसे कुछ मस्ती होती रही, लड़ाई झगड़े होते रहे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
बहुत मौके हैं, आई थिंक ऑफ स्क्रीन एक तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट मैच चलता था, बहुत खेले, जब भी टाइम मिलता था हमें, बिकॉज बहुत बड़ी कास्ट है, बाकी अलग लोग अलग अलग टाइम पे काम करते थे. Then we used to play a lot of games like Damsharads and she came up with
hopscotch. No, hopscotch it wasn't said. It was
Gold Spot.
वो बहुत ही difficult game है, मतलब it's like difficult. आप देखोगे, हम लोग making video डालेंगे, then all of you all can share it digitally.
किसी ने खेला है यहाँ पे Gold Spot?
Gold Spot नहीं ना, बहुत ही difficult game है. I was very good at it. Sid was very bad at Damsharads. Tell them about how bad you were at Damsharads.
I was very bad at word building.
So Ali,
I was very good at word building. Balance between both of them
मतलब
meaning?
हम देखिए
हाँ?
हैं हम इसे अडॉप्ट कर लिया मैं
कौन सा बैलेंस? मैं दोनों पे खड़ी थोड़ी हूँ. हाँ?
करण ऋषि कपूर जी के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे. उनका मेकअप काफ़ी डिफरेंट हुआ है, तो ये इस बार जो चेंज हुआ है उनके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कि किस तरीके से उनका मेकओवर चेंज करने को सोचा.
एक्चुअली ये शकुन एक्चुअली आपको ज़्यादा बता पाएंगे इस बारे में. एज यू नो चिंटू जी's एज इज इन 60s, लेकिन उनको एक 85 या 90 साल के बुजुर्ग का रोल निभाना था. तो जाहिर है कि मेकअप की ज़रूरत थी, तो हमने एक टीम मंगाई है जो आए थे, ग्रेग नाम है उनका. तो प्रोस्थेटिक मेकअप होता है, तो इसीलिए जैसे मैंने बिगनिंग में भी कहा था, कुछ 3 या 4 घंटे लग जाते थे रोज़. बहुत मुश्किल होता है एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए एक ही चेयर पे बैठना, ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट टू परफॉर्म विथ ऑल दैट ऑन योर फेस. एंड आई थिंक इट नीड्स अ सर्टन काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस होता है, एक ट्रिमेंडस टैलेंट टू काइंड ऑफ परफॉर्म थ्रू दैट. तो बहुत स्पेसिफिक लुक था. एंड आई थिंक चिंटू जी जब आप देखोगे पिक्चर में तो कन्विंसिंग भी लगते हैं.